and welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. Thank you guys for joining me in today's video. I'll be showing you how to make chili. This is also known as chili con carne and it's often shortened as chili. This is a very delicious and spicy stew that contains minced beef, tomatoes, kidney beans, and chili peppers. To make this chili recipe, you are going to start by placing a soup pot on the stove top. Add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil has heated, go in with 1 cup of chopped red onions. Saute this on medium heat for 3 minutes until slightly fragrant and translucent. After that, go in with 3 minced garlic cloves. Cook for 30 seconds. Once the garlic is fragrant, go in with 500 grams of lean ground beef. Try breaking this with a wooden spoon. Once you have broken the beef into smaller chunks just like so, cook this for about 6 to 7 minutes until it's no longer pink. And make sure you stir this occasionally. You can now add in 2.5 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of paprika, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of ground black pepper. If you love cayenne, you can add just a little bit. I'm adding just a 1/4 teaspoon of that. 2 beef stock cubes. Just crush them into the beef. And 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Once you have added all of this, stir this to combine. You can also use liquid stock instead of using stock cubes. Once everything is nicely combined just like so, go in with 300 ml of hot water. We're also going to go in with 1 cup of tomato sauce, 1 cup of diced tomatoes. I'm using fresh homemade diced tomatoes and tomato sauce. And then add about 2 teaspoons of sugar. This will help tame down the sour taste of the tomatoes. I have made a video on the various ways to get rid of sour taste from your tomatoes. You can check it out. The link will appear as you're watching this. And this is one of the ways to get rid of sour taste from your tomatoes. And once you have added everything, just stir this and let it combine. Reduce your heat, place the lid over the pot and bring your chili to a boil for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, come back to the chili, stir it, and then add about 400 grams of drained kidney beans. Stir and test for salt and seasoning. You can adjust this to your taste. And if your chili appears to be too thick, you can add a little bit of broth or water to it. Cover this and still cook on low heat for about 20 minutes. This will allow the flavor to mingle nicely. So you make sure you stir your chili from time to time to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pot. And after 20 minutes, you can get back to it. And if you like the taste and the consistency of the chili, it means it's ready. You can turn off heat. Chili isn't served immediately. You should allow this to rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. That way the flavor will be well combined. Here is your delicious chili. There are many ways to top this. You can top your chili with grated cheddar cheese, spring onions, and sour cream. There are so many ways to enjoy your chili. You can enjoy this with boiled rice or pasta. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do give me a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so and hit the bell button so you don't miss any video. Thank you for watching this. I hope to see you very soon. Bye.